This is how to make these delicious holiday treats. Make this for your family and thank me later. Yes, this delicious holiday treat is made with cabin. Surprise! I know nobody would have guessed this if I said you should guess. I'll be making use of two lines. That is two lines in this cabin. I'm going to make it turn it to powder. I'm going to blend it or in the food processor to get a powder version of this biscuit. If you want a very sweet holiday treat, you can leave the cabin and go for a biscuit that is more sweet. Yes. So I want this holiday treat to be sweet but not too sweet. You have to protect yourself for your health, okay? So after blending the cabin, you want it smooth and powdered. You see, this is what we are going for. I'm going to blend or grind the second batch of the cabin biscuits. So this is it. After grinding the second batch of the cabin biscuits, we are going to proceed to the second stage of the holiday treat making. This is it. We have the powdered biscuit right now. The next stage is the banana. You can make use of banana or any kind of fruit that you like, that it can be sticky or that can bring the biscuit together. This banana is a bit frozen, so that's it. After peeling the banana, we are going to mash it into a smooth paste before adding it to the powdered biscuit. I felt the banana might not be sweet enough, so I added a spoon of hazelnuts. Yeah, this hazelnut spread. You can make use of Nutella, you can make use of peanut butter, you can make use of anything just to bring the holiday treats together. So this is our end result. I'm going to pour it into the powdered biscuit, then mix everything together. Make sure your hands are clean before doing this process. Bring everything together to create a bowl of the powdered biscuits, mixture, and the banana. Make sure your hands are clean, okay? So this is what we have here. I'm going to start forming a little ball with it. You can make it to any size. You can make a bigger ball or a small ball, or just the same size. So this is what we have. Try not to test. If you test any of these balls, delicious holiday treat balls right now, you find yourself not able to resist. You might end up eating everything before you finish making the video. So this is chocolate. I'm going to melt it down so I can use it to coat the delicious holiday treat. So I'm using kind of this method to melt down the chocolate. After melting it, it should be time to coat the delicious balls in it or with it. put it in the freezer so that it can get cold. After that, drizzle it with chocolate syrup or just melted chocolate, and the delicious holiday treat is ready. You can serve this or eat this with a glass of milk or soft drink of choice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share my video and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe, and turn on the notification so that I can get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.